Your kit comes with a wooden embroidery hoop that already has the patterned fabric mounted on it. So before you begin, just gently pull the fabric from the edges of the hoop to tighten it. The fabric should feel nice and firm like a drum, not too loose. This is super important because if the fabric stays loose, your embroidery might end up looking a bit wrinkled or saggy when you're done. So tight fabric makes stitching way easier and neater. So now I'm taking some floss straight from the skein. It comes as 6 strands twisted together, but for most of the designs we'll be using just 3 strands. So I'm gently separating out 3 strands and setting the 3 aside for later. Just make sure you pull slowly so it doesn't tangle. So once that's done, now it's time to thread the needle. This kit comes with a needle threader which is super handy, especially when you're working with all 6 strands or thicker threads. But for now, since we are only using 3 strands, you can just pinch the thread and slide it through the needle hole, and that's it. Your hoop and thread are ready. So in the next video, we'll see how to use the needle threader and we'll also start stitching.